It is RT Boss spiritual advice and spirituality place where she did. You know, notice from what they know, every song where she drop now connect. When last Spice produce a good song? Because of 2019, me take away myself from her.
One of the day when me a suffer, one of the day when me a struggle, one of the day when I want shoes me have, when me need homeless, when me house burn down, and me not know where to live, one of the day.
Controversy erupts after recording artist Spice, spiritual advisor, spilled the beans on the dancehall artist. Now Spice has responded to the accusation made against her. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. And we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. Wherever you are watching this right now in the world, much love and much respect goes out to you. And thanks for joining us once more for the wonderful program that we have here. We're on our way to 30,000 subscribers, which is very good. Just a short way away from that targeted number. And I just want to say much love goes out to those who have subscribed. And those that have not yet subscribed, just come on board and join the Links TV family. So what we want to talk about now is the situation that went down with Spice spiritual advisor and Spice herself in the entertainment space this week. There have been a number of speculations that are circulating online as it relates to the success and rise and fame of the dancehall entertainer, who the spiritual reader said that he was so instrumental in getting Spice to the top or the forefront of the female dancehall arena. Now, there have been many things that have been said and these have spilled over onto social media, and a number of people have been drawn into the whole entire saga, including Spice baby father, Spice dancers, former recording artists, Miss Marianal, stage name Lady Saw, have been drawn into the whole situation, and it's not looking good how it has spilled over online. All I can say, I can't understand why people in this current age and era can't find other ways and means of settling their differences, especially to bring it to the forefront of the whole entire world by taking it to social media. Well, based on what I've seen and what I've observed and what I've heard and words in the street, is that this individual was very instrumental in Spice's life, and it's very obvious that Spice was actually very, what should I say? He was actually a part of Spice's development because he is able to produce certain classified information, I believe, about Spice and her musical career in detail. So it seemed as if Spice had confided in this individual. I know this individual has stated that Spice did not really give him that recognition that he believes that he deserved. And he has been doing this for Spice for a number of years now. And Spice basically pushed him to the curves on numerous occasions. Now he actually sharing his side of the story, and then Spice is gonna share her side of the story and just give fans an up-to-date report as to what happened. But it has spilled over onto social media and everybody is drawn into this right now, and the whole entire mayhem and mismanipulation of the whole entire situation is actually just spilling out online, with people ranting at each other and just giving their own personal views and opinion as it relates to the matter. But without no delay, let's go over to Spice and listen what she had to say, and we're gonna listen to what RT had to say as well as it relates to this whole situation that spilled over online. But first, let's go where it all started, with RT Bosch sharing his side of the story. Let's go over to that now.
Aren't you aware that I speak very highly very highly about Grace Hamilton Spice. Aren't you aware that all these years I speak very highly about her? All these years, you see that I post picture when I go places with her. All these years where you are watch me, when you see me and her, and you never hear me talk nothing bad about her. We're talking RT family. Good morning. Share an invite. I'm talking to the RT family who watch me a long time because this is something I want you have your ears and your neck involved in, because this is something that you really need to know, so you decide if you're going to stand with the boss or you're going to let him down. I speak very highly about that lady all my life. And if you notice, I never yet played no other body song in dancehall that much rather than Spice or me. Everywhere I go, you see me and her. I have a lot of RT families that in the private group who know what's going on with me and Spice. Not everybody know, but me have my team who know. Now, what I'm trying to say to you now, a lot of you people, first one I wouldn't want to know when me I gonna get out of this, but me just say when me I gonna get out of it before me even started to talk. What I, Norda Smith, is seeking from this, a peace of mind, a peace of soul, set my mind free, believing to myself that I speak to get it off of my mind. It is bothering me a long time. So when I speak out of my mouth, I feel that joy within my soul. I feel free, so me get it off of my mind because it's something is bothering me. Now, let me say this. What bother your RT? Now, everybody know that me and Spice they everywhere. Me never really say no anything, as in try to speak our business. I try to say anything to bring her down. You RT family know me always speak highly of Spice. Share and invite. Me and Spice good from 2011. And let me tell you why I am hurt, because some of you don't know the story. Because when me tell you this, you're not going to feel like a lie. Me tell you. There was a girl by the name Alisa Faceoff. Alisa Faceoff come to my yard. And when I was reading Alisa Faceoff, I said, who is this girl with a coolie man? The coolie man I get her bun. The coolie man I have sex with a girl named Stacy. This is the first file me ever crack. I'm a crack it for please my soul because I'm hurt. It is something I boil inside. It is not a natural nothing. It's just that I decide to say anything because I get stabbed in at the back and betrayed. It's not about money. It's about gratitude, kindness, respect. It's been years now Spice push me under the ground. But I'm going to tell you how it starts. So therefore you can judge how I feel. So Alisa Faceoff come to me. Just as you know, when I'm reading someone, I pick up another name. She said to me that it's Spice. I said, tell her, I want to talk to her. I'm not going to read the comment, RT family. Any comment when I write, when I deal with it. I'm not going to read the comment. I'm not lock up the comment, so I just want to comment for stay. Alright. I said to her, I say, Alisa Faceoff, who is that girl? She said, Spice. I said, let me talk to her. She said, I cannot call her because I can't tell her this. Remember, me no Obeah man, just tell her who, because you know my life. Remember, me no Obeah man, just tell her I want to talk to her. Alisa Faceoff leave the house. When Alisa Faceoff leave the house, who is Alisa Faceoff? Oh, I don't have a picture right now. But yes, Alisa Faceoff leave the house. When she leave the house, she called me like an hour after. You there home? I say yes. I come back. I tell her what you say and she say everything is true. She come to my yard and I read her and tell her some more deep things. I told her that in the house, yeah, I'm going to talk, listen, I'm going to talk for show you how me hurt. Me no business what people want to say, me no people, how business how people want to view me, I set myself free. And now when me come out like this, aware that my life is in danger, aware that you know a gunman, aware that them know badness, but I choose to put my life in danger because me tired of sleep with it. Me tired of keep it inside because the only key she can use is try to get a gunman to lick me. So therefore, I am speaking my mind. So if I get the lick away with the gunman, at least I feel free, dying, knowing that me not dead with that in my heart. God will set me free. Now, Lal is the baby father. When I meet Spice, Spice introduced Lal to me, and Lal will tell you, he introduced her baby father to me as the cousin. When I meet Spice, I did have my wholesale at Central Village. Big up everybody with that big lane Central Village now. Me have my fax, me have a receipt. I have a wholesale, yes, a wholesale in Central Village in Jamaica before I come a foreign. And I have a church in Jamaica before I come to America, because someone need to get on the facts good. When I know Spice and Grace Almenton, they were going through financial crisis. Everybody know that me deal with prosperity, me elevate and I highlight. It was so bad that me have to take grocery out of the wholesale giver. When I give her the meat and the food and the rice and everything, she said to me, say, I'm Pampas. She said to me, say, when me go tell my man, say, just tell him, say, is your family or something? So she introduced Lal to me as a cousin. When we got the house, come here talking heavy. When we got the house, it never have no money. The argument was, the boy nah do nothing, the boy nah do nothing. I said the boy can't do nothing because if him go do a job, you not gonna like it, because you not gonna want him work for $10,000 a week when you are trying to build your career and you have a hype energy, so that not gonna work. The solution is for you to better yourself, Gracie, and the man have left. It doesn't make no sense. It doesn't make no sense you are with the baby father, because right now the 200 pound of face. The 200 pound of face, remember, you don't know how me advise people. The 200 pound of face are not try struggle. You don't want him go look no work. You are trying to push your career. It doesn't make no sense you be with him, because at the end of the day, him not elevate you, you not elevate him. So after me tell the two of them, you know I like to talk facts. I tell the two of them. So one day, she said that Nuffy and Leng, them not like her, them a disrespect her, them a try to set her up. She said she have thing for go, Macadam go clash. For Macadam for clash. She said Macadam go one show before in a country, I call up her name. She said that she's not going because Nuffy a plan for set her up. And Macadam and them have people on the front for boo her. I turn to her and I say, you has to go. Spice never have no money, so I go in at the wholesale. And I take out 200,000 and I get the bus. And I get the liquor them. And I get her $60,000 out of the money for get the donkey. When everything said and done, she said she nah go. Me have to go all the way to Portmore. Go draw her out of the hairdresser shop and say, listen, you have to go. Take my word for it. This is how your career going to start. She said, me nah go because them a go boo me. Me said, they nah go boo you. Trust me, go on. It a go work out good for you. Me say, get the donkey. You know, see she favor donkey. Use the donkey as the image. I remember the song clearly. Who let out the donkey? Say me a sodomite and you fuck your auntie. Every night in my bed, my baby father fuck me. Listen to me. When I get the bus and everything and give her my money, she go a sting. When I was there 2 o'clock, the baby father called me. She said she not going. I said, why? Because she said them a go boo her and she know Nuffy and she know say Nuffy are wicked and she know say Leng them want set her up a flap her career. So she's not going. The baby father said to me, say, she said she not go. Me say, well, she need to go because that's her best way of her career. She turned and said, the only way I go unless you go. She said, the only way I go unless you go. Me say, all right, me I go come, but me have church the morning. That time I was in Revival Church. Me end up go at the stage show. She said to her, she said to me, say, come. Me say, me I come to show you how me know you go win. Me I collect the money. Those are the RT family we know me can read. She said, me say, me I go and me I go collect the money. When I go there, as Spice enter the venue, I have the video. Go and look on YouTube and type in Spice thing, the interview. When I go there, as Spice enter the venue, Macadam drive out. Because everybody believes that she wasn't coming. Macadam talk it on the interview, say she was at the venue and then she came, then she did it, and then she leave. Because them plan for set her up. Nuffy, them plan for set her up. That is why she not like Nuffy so I could talk about that. So she got this thing, and when she got this thing, she go up on the stage with the donkey, and I was on the stage too. If you video up on the stage, I was on the stage too. Then Macadam never turn up, then she do the interview, and then she collect the money. When Spice go home and Spice a cook, Spice say, yes, I saw me like it. And she say, and I say, you always say some things. And then she say, yes, I saw me like it. And the boy come around in the kitchen, her baby father, and said to her, say, you know, easy, you know, I saw she stay, you know, when me and her have problem, I saw she sing. and sing and drop word for me. I tell you everything where it come from. So enough people attack couldn't know what I go on. Sorry for the bad word, but I cuss no more. I try to remain calm. Because enough I criticize me say me I look hype. I can't look hype for who me feed and who me bill. The only thing Spice do for me is shit me come a foreign because she don't want nobody know me there around now. Notice that 90, I'm going to tell you the code. Notice that anywhere in the US are me and Spice, but you never see me and her in Jamaica nowhere like that. It's mostly in foreign you see me post all of my video them because she fear to acknowledge me in the Jamaica realms because people are going to say me a Obeah man, people say me a witchcraft. Share and invite. When she tried something like it, my advise her how to deal with it. My advice that she have to drop some of her friend. When I go to the house, I said to her, I see a black furry jacket. I say, go for the jacket where Lady Star give you. She said, oh my God, oh you know Lady Star give me a jacket. I say, because I'm a reader, man. I said, go for the jacket where Lady Star give you. I see a white furry jacket. When she go for the white furry jacket, I say, you have to burn that jacket. She said, lady, say, give me it, you know, and I'm a godmother for my pitney, you know. I say, well, that jacket where she give you is for hurt you. I pull her from the band where lady say put. Me have my facts, anything when you go dig up. When I pull her from the band where lady say put, when I say turn back blow, because I burn the jacket. Because I burn the jacket and pull the energy and the atmosphere of witchcraft where ladies say friend her and tie her down in the terms of saying that she knows that she is the next one in line. So she groom her and have her under fear wings and hold her down. I come in there and I pull that. When I turn back the order upon Lady Sir, she and Lady Sir go up on a war on Twitter. Facts. Someone know I'm gonna say backside. I remember that. If you remember the war with Lady Star and Spice on Twitter, Lady Star declared that them want to kill her and she soon left it go no. And me soon left it go no because that's all you know do. I want to hurt me. And Lady Star stayed say that you are Obeah me. Because Lady Star was the queen. So Lady Star take to Twitter and she and Lady Star have a war over Twitter. Because she was hurt the fact that Lady Star do such evil thing to her and I am the one who come pull it. When I pull that jacket, I say you have to keep away from Lady Star. She's not good. She just hold it for herself. That is why Spice don't like Grace. That is why Spice don't like Lady Star. That is why Spice don't listen to Lady Star, play Lady Star song. And that is why Lady Star don't like me. Lady Star specifically know me. And Lady Star turn and say, oh, she want Obeah and Obeah. Lady Star was the first one to lick out the Obeah argument. Under the fact that Lady Star know what she was doing. When I pull her from where Lady Star do and I say you have to cut off Lady Star, she avoid Lady Star, she start go solo. Who remember when time Lady Star perform as Lady Star come out like Lady Star say, and me who there? Guess who there? Remember she and Lady Star was like this. Lady Star used to call her out and call her out. Since I entered that atmosphere, I separated because Lady Star wasn't no good in her life. Me talk to my RT family them. Now after me pull that, she said, you know say you for that foreign, you know for there so. I say, okay. Me not tell a lie, no. Me tell you the truth, so you listen. She said, I'm going to help you for go foreign, because you need for go foreign. So she give me leave it right there. No financial money me never get. Me not get no money from Spice. Let me talk the truth. I'm wanting to hear me good. So, when I come to America, Spice threw me under the bus again. The baby father called me. And threaten me. And let me say something when me no want to talk. There's a lot of things me no want to talk. But I want to give you one thing when me want to put out there. You know why me no want to talk certain things and me no want to say me a bash her or me a try to bring her down. But at the same time, you go say me a wicked and you still got bad things to talk. So me a go be the victim. Me a go be the one where everybody hate. So might as well you hate me all and done when me talk. No, Spice go fuck a man where I never approve. There's a man come from England and I say to Spice, I don't agree with that man. I don't like that man atmosphere. That's me the advisor. You notice how she come out strong when me talk. She come out strong. I say I don't like me the business. My life is in danger. So me I will get it off. So when me dead or if anybody try to kill me, at least you guys have a video for proof say him talk in mine. Spice fuck a man who come from England. Me tell her don't go, me never like it. That time broke did a go on. Broke did a go on. No money never go on in them life. Them was under the pint of crumbling. I said to her, don't go. You know what the boy do? The boy in the hotel and come Lego video. Come say she has me fix that again. Or me fix it, I advise her go put her on the tattoo. She go put her on the tattoo with the dollar sign right here, so upon her hand. The tattoo with the dollar sign upon her hand right here, so. And then she come and she say, you see, I never me. Look, you see, me have a tattoo and me that and my hand that. They must say, everybody favor you, watch back. Look, go, social, internet. Internet no lose nothing, go feed. Everybody start say she, and she say people favor me. See they look for my hand. Me never see them. Me have the tattoo. See there, she show tattoo. Say the person have on a tattoo. Me have on a tattoo. The same day the video released, the same day she put on the tattoo. Me endorse that. Me endorse that girl. Let me talk highly about that girl. She begs. Next thing, all of who I say, Spice and the man, the Gaza man, nothing never go so. There was a time when she was talking to a person on the phone, and the person said, tell Bolt, me need $1 million for help me with the court case. Me I call name and talk, you know, because everybody will listen to this and everybody will pick out and say, and a lie me I tell. I need $1 million for help me with the court case. I turned to her and I said, that is not Gaza man. That is not Gaza man. She said, what do you mean? You get me scared. I said, that's not Gaza, man. She said, Lord Jesus Christ, I'm afraid when you talk, you know. She turned to me and she said, I said, oh, you can know, say that's not Gaza, man. She said, oh, me know what, me know what. Me I go talk about me and him, because everybody feel like say me and him. But me and him. She turned and she replied, you know, say me miss the good time when me have sex and them something there. The man replied and said, just chill up, mama man. Wait till me come out, man. You will know, say, when me come out, everything good again. I know him. Everybody feel like say me and him. I know him because I hear him today. Then she make her link, and when she make the link, she realize say the phone where I talked to her wasn't in the place where it's supposed to be, in the cell. It was someone scamming her $1 million. And when she did go to Bolt for that $1 million, that could have caused a great mix-up. I see her there, so again, make sure you know that is a scammer. Listen, you can go to Central Village right now who want the research. Ask anybody, do you know RT? Do you know Narda Smith? Do you used to live at Central Village, Biglin? Yes, and him did have a wholesale. And in kindness, him have a wholesale. And every time when we come there, him give away things. Him have a wholesale, him have a cash back machine, and him have a church. I was the only person have a cash back machine in a big lane at the front. That time cash back did that play 2 times a day. The wholesale, what kind of wholesale? Case of liquor, case of rum, carton of cigarette. That time carton of cigarette was $5.20. That time we used to sell a case, the case of soda for $8.50. Then the time the $5.20 for a pack of cigarette, me should say. $520 for a pack of cigarette in those days. One bottle of rum was for $12.50 in those days. So when you people are going to tell me, say me I look at hype, or you feel look at hype when you build somebody and elevate them and me talk good things about her. The girl don't want to do a thing for me. The girl don't check me. She don't count me. All my life, me I run behind her and I advise her and I do things free. She don't look at me. She don't acknowledge me. No, when the baby father, let me tell you when shit hit the fan. No, I love the girl. I love her in a way, so I'm a cover for her. Because right now, I'm still a cover for her because I have every receipt. Like every receipt. Remember the baby father tell you, say, one person know everything is RT boss. Me have every receipt, like receipt. Even Stacy, we have the gas station, the Chinese girl, where caused the problem in them life because of the threesome, where she and Stacy. Right. Now the bottom line, una bash lal. The reason why she have a problem with the man and I agree for them to leave. There's many sides to the story. The baby father and I have a threesome. And the girl named Stacy, the Chinese girl with the gas station. Me no give a me attack because I'm hurt. And when them do the threesome, the baby father start the Chinese girl behind her back. So the baby father start the Chinese girl behind her back. So she'd feel heartbroken about it, and I tell her the truth, say, well, you shouldn't start the threesome thing. That is why she ate the baby father, and that is why she and the baby father not in a no relationship, and I agree said them to leave because the baby she have the girl in the house with she and the baby father. And she introduced the baby father for the threesome. Now the baby father started up the Chinese girl behind her back. She recorded it and she have the videotape and record it and have it, and she was heartbreaking. Well, I said the best solution is for you guys to left. Me have my facts, me have my receipt. So what you people are say, me obligated for bad mind. Me obligated for talk things. I build that girl by my mouth, no evil by advice. Encourage her the right step. I'm going to go some receipt. But me I talk out of my mouth first. Look at this, what you need to know. I never charged Spice no money because this was bigger than money. I never broke. Spice Grace Almiton can never tell you say she meet RT Nada Smith down the ground. When she meet me, me have my wholesale, me have my thing. She can never tell you say me broke. When I meet Spice, Spice was down on her face and me help her up. I want to share and invite because I want to give my receipt because someone feel like say I hype me a look. Well, if me a look the hype now RT family, me obligated to look it. If me a look the boss now and me a get bad mind, be obligated to be bad mind because I am the one who build her. You know how much things me I tell you about that mean it deep. The only thing Spice do for me is get me a visa to come a foreign. That's the only thing. Spice have a work permit, all our work permit. Now, me and the RT fam, you want to talk about love and hip hop? Love and hip hop, I was here the day when Spice called me for do love and hip hop, and my team around me when me have, they said to me, boss, don't go. Where the RT family them now, a phone time now, uno dep on the tread line now. Them say, boss, don't deal with her because she not like how she deal with you. Why you go help her? You help her with her career, now you go help her with love and hip hop. I drive down to Maryland with me and the RT family. We have that picture, we have that evidence. On the way my wife was driving, we almost crashed. I go down to look after her. I'm not going to tell you what I do because I'm not talk my business. I go down to look after her. Spiritual and advise. And when I look after her, she go in for the interview for love and hip hop. The girl look at me and tell me, say, as long as food up on my table. As long as food up on fair table, I can't hungry. Because she not ungrateful. And when I help her with the love and hip hop and she go and love and hip hop and do the interview and come through, it was me. I want to get a joke. The day when I was struggling with the, I show you how God not sleep. The day when I was struggling with the bath, I go in for do the cleansing. When I look a lady, a Maca Diamond, me see in the hotel. Me and the RT family them. And them say to me, say, see Maca Diamond them. Me say, Lord God, tell me when you see she gone. Make me pass and go in. And Maca Diamond in the lobby same way she not move. And I say, you know something? That's a different something now, not a bonus thing. I say, you know something? Me no business, you know, me go walk past same way. If Maca Diamond want to see me there, because everybody know me them time they read on Facebook. If Maca Diamond want to see me, she see me. And when I walk past my Maca Diamond, I make 4. And I do what me have to do and make sure they can live love and hip hop. Me have witness to that. We all have a witness there when I talk. RT family them where me have a private people in my group. Me have the witness for love and hip hop. Me place her there. $10,000 is the pay she get.
Well, there you have it. That was RT Boss giving his side of the story as it relates to the drama that is online between Spice and the actual spiritual reader himself. Now, he had stated some real chilling details in this report as it relates to what he has been personally doing as it relates to the uprising of Spice's career to the forefront of the entertainment scene of dancehall music. And he actually shared some real vital evidence pertaining to that. But all I can say, it seems as if Spice confided in this individual so much to the point where he has a number of things against the dancehall entertainer. He's able to produce voice notes, interviews, and a number of other things as well. So it's as if he's actually telling the truth about the whole entire mayhem that went down. It's not looking good on Spice's side, And it's one of those situations in which you put all your trust in someone and they actually turn against you because they believe as if you're not dealing with them in that right manner or professional manner that you should. He stated that he tried on numerous occasions to reach out to Spice in order to produce his music, or push his music, I should say, out there for him, as a bit to give it a bit of advertisement per se, and Spice refused on numerous occasions. So he's actually upset about the whole entire situation, and that Spice has always pushed him to the curb and not really highlighting his accomplishment as well. And this is what really transpired in the latest incident between Spice and this individual. Now Spice responded, but however, we're not going to share that in this clip because it's going to be too long. So we're going to be doing a part 2 of this actual report for you. But all I can say is wish Spice all the best, and I doubt that this will damper her career in any form or shape, because Spice is actually a fighter. She has tried her very best to put some wonderful music out there, and I believe that she has the backing of the fans right across the world as well in support of her music and her life. So what transpired here, I don't believe that it's to the detriment of her career. I believe that she will overcome this because Spice have been drawn under the bus on numerous occasions, and she always fight to the top and the one that survived it all. So we're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. You can just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this story. Let me know, do you believe what RT is saying, or do you believe what Spice is actually saying when I do my next report? So we're gonna leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. We're in the Christmas season, alright? Take it out. Links TV. Peace out. Bless.